So we're now walking through the nature reserve. Ponds and lakes here are all a bit frozen. Oh, cheers. Thanks.
It's a Euro short.
No, that's alright. It looks like it, doesn't it? Hmm. See now, is that house there abandoned? It looks like it, doesn't it?
Not abandoned.
No?
It looks like there's half of it missing.
Oh no, downstairs looks okay, upstairs doesn't. Hey? Yeah.
That work done to it. Oh,
It looks like there's chunks bitten out of it.
yeah, big.
Yeah, the
We should investigate.
What?
Not even any drops.
Too close to ducks. I mean, it's
gone to Mallorca for the winter.
wildlife stay off today.
They're in the duck sheds.
No, we can't investigate. Straight line challenge, go.
Go, Robbo. Check out that building, see if it's abandoned, and come back and tell us.
It is abandoned. There's graffiti on the walls.
Yeah.
But it's not for us this way.
Not yet, anyway.
Abandoned trampoline.
Yes.
I think you can walk on that ice, Robbo.
Yeah, you can. You go and get that stick. Do some we can do some whittling later.
Right.
Oh, sorry. Hello.
So we were going to the legend. And they run that black tick then, so it might just be made just for the
Sheep. Get a better view of the sheep here.
Oh, hens, right.
And onwards we walk.
So yeah, you carry on this way,
And we need to find a way.
and it'll come. Yeah, it should. If it doesn't go left,
It's
fine.
going through there
Yeah.
anyway. So
But if you can't find the left, somewhere along here then.
it looks like we found it.
Yeah. If we fix a three-legged horse.
Can't quite see the frost on the leaves there.
Oh, is it just here?
Yeah, just here.
It's a deserted lookout tower. We're going to find some Nazi helmets.
That's it, no need to spot no British planes anymore.
Boo.
The man cometh.
As long as I don't leave a stain, it's alright.
Oh, making it adult rated already. Wanna go? Wanna go for a slide?
Hey?
No, that wasn't. No, I didn't mean no. I didn't mean anything like that. Okay, now, calm down, guys. And a trip to the tower. I'm going to take you to the tower, Robbo. And that wasn't a euphemism.
Careful here. You're probably better off going straight across. Oh, bollocks.
Yeah, there's a big fog. Drop. That's icy over there.
There's a bit slidey in it now, don't know.
Yeah, it's like that in here.
It's a bit slippery.
Alright. Oh my fucking word. Oh, right, let's go down.
Yeah, you've been there, haven't you?
Oh.
Right there. Take your time. Yeah, it'd probably be safest to go back and down there.